I hope you guys know that virtual assistants or remote workers or remote freelancers or virtual professionals are not just Filipinos. Well, a lot of us are Filipinos, but there are also other people from other countries who does this. Like for example, we have people from Latin America, we have people from Eastern Europe, we have people from Africa. We have people all over Asia. We have people from America, Europe, who's doing this remote world or this remote work, okay, who's in the remote era like us. So meaning to say, when it comes to really competition, it's really high. It's really, really high. And there are so many choices already. So if I were you, okay, to you to be able to break to the noise, you have to focus on yourself. Okay? Gone are the days where you can fake it till you make it. Because clients now has so many options. They can get the best ones for a specific amount. They don't need to train them, plug and play, and their lives are 10 times easier now. Because the faster they scale their own businesses, the better. Because they can break to the noise and, make their own business successful too. And that is the reason why you guys have to really focus on skill gaps, okay? Identify your strength based on your background. Identify that skill gap. Fill that in. Start with that beta client, okay? You have to be able to fix that system, dry run that system, dry run those offerings, polish everything, build that experience, even if it's in a minimal amount only. As long as number four, you're able to build that portfolio and gain that experience at the same time. And then after that, that's when approach your ideal client after with that ideal rate, this time with better rates, with better offerings, with more confidence because you were able to polish everything already with your beta clients, and now you're facing your dream client, and you're all very confident and excited, and that's really how it goes. Because competition in the Philippines itself is tough already. What more with the rest of the freelancers around the world? Especially now, clients and agencies are really open to hiring international talents because they're really, really good. Okay? So if I have international talents here in my audience, hello, 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 welcome. I'm now trying to provide English manuals and content for you guys because I want it to be accessible for everyone. My English is not perfect, but it's okay. It's a thought that counts as long as you're learning from it. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's start upskilling, guys. Let's start moving. Tama na yung hilata. Let's go.